Here in this video, I'll be showing you how to use VLOOKUP function using named range instead of relative or absolute cell address as data table or data array in VLOOKUP. Whenever a relative cell address is used as data table in VLOOKUP function, it becomes erroneous, generating unexpected results. In that case, we have to make relative address as absolute address by pressing F4 key. But here, by using named range, we'll be reducing that additional F4 key press. Let's proceed and see how it happens. Yeah, I have an Excel sheet having some data. I'm showing you this data range. Uh, I'm having to look for some look for some value in using VLOOKUP function is A6 to J93. Now I'm going to assign a name to this data range. This is order details. Okay. Now I'm coming to another sheet. This is my values. Here I'm showing you how to use VLOOKUP function both the ways. VLOOKUP. I'm going to look for this order number in sheet 1. Sheet 1. Range was A6 to J93. Now transfer column index number from which I need to fetch data. I'm typing here 6 to get the item name. Last parameter is false for exact match. I selected that. Now see what happens. Now the data table range, a table range to array range to look for the value is A6 to J93 in sheet 1. Okay. Now I'm copying this and to pasting it to the last row. Okay. Now see the next row it becomes A7 to J94. Again next one it get A2. Well, every time it gets incremented by one. So this is not what expected by this function, because the data range has to be constant in which I'm going to look for some particular value which is order number. So to make that I have to need this cell address to convert into absolute address. To achieve that, I have to press F4 key. Now it becomes absolute cell address. Same way here also I have to press F4. Now I'm copying it and pasting. Now see, now it's not incrementary. Everywhere it is A6 to J93. Now it's okay. This is one way. Another way, by using named range, I'm showing you how it happens. VLOOKUP. I'm going to look for this order number in data range sheet 1. Sheet 1. Here I'm typing the name of the data range I have assigned. That is order details, comma, index, column index. Again I'm typing 6 and false for exact match. Now I'm copying it and pasting to the end. See what happens. In this case, everywhere this is order details. So I don't need to bother about that error being caused due to the relative cell address in VLOOKUP function. So I think it's better to use this named range, not only this case, but many other cases to avoid some